In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google My Business to Google Ads effectively in 2025. This straightforward process takes you through a series of steps that will seamlessly integrate your business listing with your advertising campaigns, enhancing your online visibility, and helping you reach more potential customers. First, start by heading over to the Google Ads website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Google Ads URL. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an option to sign in at the top right corner. Click on Sign In and enter your credentials to access your Google Ads account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads home dashboard. This is your central hub for managing and creating all of your advertising campaigns. Spend a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, especially if it's your first time here. From the home dashboard, look to the side menu on the left and find the Campaigns tab. Clicking on this will show you all the campaigns you've created or are currently running. It's essential to have a good understanding of your active campaigns to ensure a smooth linkage with your Google My Business profile. Next, navigate to the Assets tab, which is located just beneath Campaigns. This is where you'll manage various assets that can be associated with your campaigns, including location extensions. These are crucial as they help your ads display your business's physical address, making it easier for customers to find you. Once inside the Assets section, you'll want to create a new asset specifically for your location. So click on Create Asset. This option allows you to add different types of extensions, enhancing your ads by linking pertinent information. Upon clicking Create Asset, you'll see several options. Select location from these options. This feature directly ties your Google My Business location with your Google Ads, ensuring that whenever someone sees your ad, they also see your business's location details, improving their convenience and access. Successfully completing these steps finishes your task of linking Google My Business to Google Ads. This powerful combination not only amplifies your advertising reach, but also optimizes your online presence for better local awareness. Remember, keeping your business information consistent and updated across platforms is critical for effective customer engagement. So take a moment to review your Google My Business profile to ensure all your details are current. That sums up the process. I trust this guide helps you leverage your online business tools to their fullest potential. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.